Hey class, we have a big day tomorrow. I'm sending home this PowerPoint and I'm hoping that everyone will get a chance to look at it. We have a quiz tomorrow. It's on geologic formations and we're going to be focusing on volcanoes. All right, first thing we're going to do is I want you to go to the link below and it will go with the PowerPoint or you can copy and paste it into your browser. It is the Quiz Whiz. It's about 10 questions and it's just to test your basic knowledge on what you think volcanoes are, where are they, the largest, geographical region. I'm not expecting you to get most of them right, some of the things we haven't covered in class, but I think it'll give you just a good baseline. And not to worry, it's not being recorded. And I got 2 wrong. So just do your best, and we're going to talk about the answers tomorrow in class. All right, what'd you guys think? There is 3 takeaways that I want to talk about tomorrow, and I want to know if true or false, if volcanoes only exist on land. I also want to know about how many active volcanoes there are on Earth. And what country has the most historically active volcanoes? Again, what country has the historically active volcanoes? Are volcanoes only on land? And how many approximately are on this Earth? To start off, I want to talk about why volcanoes are important. There's several key functions of a volcano, but today I want to highlight land creation and the connection it has to you in the human experience. So volcanic eruptions create islands and other land formations. Universe Today indicates that Hawaiian Islands were all formed as a part of volcanic eruptions. These new islands developments provide more living space in a world with increasing population and limited places for them to live. All right, so what is a volcano? A volcano is an opening in the surface of the planet or moon that allows material warmer than its surrounding to escape from its interior. When this material escapes, it causes an eruption. An eruption can be explosive, sending materials high into the sky, or it can be calmer with a gentle flow of material. So let's review. To the picture that you're looking at, that's the flow of a volcano. And I want you to take a nice look at that. You may be seeing that another day. All right, now we're going to talk about 11 fun facts about volcanoes. I am not going to go through all 11 with you, but the expectation is that you read them, understand them. There will be a quiz on it tomorrow. Not all 11 of them, but I'm going to give you some takeaways now, so pay attention. I want you to know the radius and the danger area of a volcano. It covers about 20 miles. I want you to know that a volcano is a mountain that opens downward to a pool of molten rock. The keyword is molten rock below the surface of the earth. When the pressure builds up, eruption, boom, occurs. I also want you to know that in an eruption, gas and rock shoot up through the opening and spill over or fill the air with lava fragments. Eruptions can cause lava flow, hot ash flow, mudslides, avalanches, falling ash, and floods. On this slide, I want you to know that more than 80% of the Earth's surface is volcanic in origin. The seafloor in some mountains were formed by countless volcano eruptions. Gaseous emissions from the volcano formed from the Earth's atmosphere. Also, I want you to tell me what a volcano can trigger: flash floods, earthquakes, mudslides, and rockfalls. The last 2 facts I want you to know is number 8 and number 9. There are more than 500 active volcanoes in the world. More than half of these volcanoes are a part of the Ring of Fire. Yes, the Ring of Fire, a region that encircles the Pacific Ocean. The last one is active volcanoes in the US are found mainly in Hawaii, Alaska, California, Oregon, and Washington. But the greatest chance of eruption near areas where many people live are Hawaii and Alaska. That's a big one, guys. I want you to know number 9. Next, I want to talk about common misconceptions of volcanoes. The first one, all volcanoes erupt violently. Think about it. When you look at a volcano, every picture you see, the one that really grabs your attention is when it just splatters up into the air and there's huge plumes of smoke. And you can see just a flow of lava going down. But in fact, the levels of silica and dissolved gases in the magma determine whether a volcano erupts explosively or effusively. Magma and gas may escape through the cracks and weak areas on the sides of the volcano in addition to the top vent. The second misconception I want to talk about is many people think that there's only a destructive side, and how can it ever be helpful? Well, this ties into the first one. When you think of a volcano only as violent and destructive, what other conclusion? Well, in fact, farmers love planting crops on the ash since it provides needed nutrients, and many thrive. Tomorrow we're going to do an experiment and we're going to build our own volcano and we're going to watch it go boom. The next slide you're going to see some of kiddos doing a little preview for you, and listed on this screen is the ingredients we're going to use tomorrow also.
My name is Mia.
Mia, what is a volcano?
It erupts when you come close to it, or it erupts in different times. My name is Isa, and there's 3 things to making a volcano. My name's Ashton. Volcanoes, when they erupt around it, once it's done, falling around it, it looks like it's burned rocks. It makes lava. Lava drizzles down it.
Okay.
And sometimes it makes a mountain of lava.
Right, it does.
It makes hot rocks, and it makes slushy sand in the water. A science volcano earns vinegar, water, and food coloring.
Okay, and
we're all going to say baking soda. It's over 400. Stop.
And you can pour that in together.
Can I pour it in?
We need 2.
Ooh.
There you go.
2,
1,
2.
2.
It looks like blood.
Oh, that's good. 1 little pump.
Everybody's getting a chance.
That was good. Go ahead, your turn.
Oh my god, I look like I have blood on me. I can't really do anything. Put it in. I'm gonna make it as low.
So it's not so tough. Then you now remember, you can only make everyone enough for everyone to do some, okay?
You can tell them when to do them. No.
Okay, that's good.
It's enough.
Then a little bit, Mia. Make sure you save some room.
And I'm gonna do the rest.
Okay, whoa. There we go.
And go. We're not making a real volcano.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes. Gets blown up. Oh! It's exploding!
What? It's supposed to go high.
are you?
It looks like 3 people will be in the bathtub in 5 minutes.
Okay. I wouldn't call that an explosion.
Tomorrow we're going to go over thoroughly why the experiment went boom. Also tomorrow we're going to do this little word search. I want you to know the key words that are listed above: active, ash, crater, dormant, eruption, fire, lava, and gas. All right, guys, I'm going to give you a little hint about the quiz tomorrow. I want you to identify at least 4 volcano facts. I want you to know the key terms with definitions. I want 2 areas you can find volcanoes. I want to know what causes a volcano eruption. Why did the volcano experiment explode? And 2 misconceptions of the volcano. Everything you need is in this PowerPoint. The one thing we have not gone over in class is the volcano experiment and why did it explode. So I want it just to be a very simple breakdown of what the PowerPoint says. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.